Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day. Let me share with you how we enjoy today peeping through live intraday analysis. Let's dig into the system. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review in the future, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's move into the three major currency pair: Euro USD, Pound Dollar, and the Dollar CAD. Right, so Euro USD, if you look at the 4-hour chart, that's a pretty straightforward. At the Asians, yesterday we had the short trade here. At the Asian session, as you can see here, we had a long trade here, and at the New York session we also had a short trade here. So pretty straightforward. You can see here price respected the support long, and then price developer pullback. We also had a short trade here. Let me share with you how I analyze the entries and help my traders to squeeze amazing profit. That was a beautiful trade, guys. And so if you look at the Asian session, pretty straightforward. As you can see here, we were looking at pullback or breakout because the price was at the major support. So you can see here price nicely did not develop any pullback based on this analysis, but breakout long trade here, bank first target, bank some profit. After banking profit, we were looking another pullback, which we had it. Beautiful. You can see here, as soon as the price hit the previous high, price nicely respected at the support resistance level, and that's what explained my traders bank some profit. And let's wait for the news. We had a data today, PPI for the dollar. That was the good, pretty straightforward. You can see here that was a beautiful breakout. After the breakout, another pullback. Beautiful. As soon as the price hit to the support level, that's what explained my traders time to enjoy some profit. So that was a pretty straightforward and amazing trade on Euro USD. Pound dollar, we had a pretty straightforward, more or less the same like Euro USD. We had this beautiful trade yesterday after the news, and then yesterday in the Asian session, you can see here the price nicely respected. So we had a bullish engulfing candle. We had a long trade here this morning, bank amazing profit. And if you look at here, the price nicely respected at this resistance level. So we had a short trade here at this level, bank amazing profit. And as soon as the price hit to the previous low level, as you can see around this level, as you can see here, bank amazing profit. And we also had a counter long trade at this level. As you can see here, that was a pretty straightforward. This is the pattern. Let's see here if the price is going to break tomorrow or not, but we had a counter long trade too. Let me share with you how I analyze the entries and help my traders to get in nicely and squeeze amazing profit. That was the beautiful trade, guys. Pound dollar, pretty straightforward. You can see here this morning, pretty straightforward. Just before the London Open, that was the beautiful pullback. As soon as the price hit to the profit target, bank some profit. After banking some profit, I said to my trader, let's wait for the news, dollar news afternoon. As you can see here, that just before the news, you can see a few minutes, I said, guys, look for this breakout. Price nicely broken. And as you can see here, based on the momentum, pullback. As soon as the price hit to the major support level, we bank amazing profit and say, guys, let's see if the price is going to break or develop a counter opportunity. Even though we need a proper valid technical entry, as you can see here, price nicely broken. Even after the breakout, price nicely retest, that give us a sign, and we have another pullback. As soon as the price hitting to this level, explain my traders time to enjoy some profit. You can see that was a pretty straightforward bank amazing profit. Dollar CAD, we had a beautiful trade, guys. Just before the news, London morning session, we've been short here, banking up, pretty straightforward. You can see here, beautiful short trade, bank amazing profit. And just before the New York session, we also had a counter long trade here, and afterwards you can see we had such a nice beautiful news supported. As soon as the price hit to the profit target, we bank amazing profit. Let me share with you how I help my traders to get in and get out and squeeze amazing profit. We had a beautiful long and beautiful counter short trade here. Let me share with you. All right, so pretty straightforward. You can see here, based on the Asian session, we had a counter expecting here. We have the bearish engulfing candle develop in 4-hour. So pretty straightforward, looking a pullback. You can see here we had a one pullback, second pullback. And as soon as the price hit to the profit target, bank amazing profit. After banking some profit, I said to my trader, let's wait for another analysis. As you can see here, I said just before the news, we did this analysis because we were expecting a pullback around this level in 4-hour, price nicely broken. After that, one pullback, and after that news was in favor. We had such a nice beautiful, as soon as the price hit to the profit target, that's what explained my traders time to enjoy some profit. And let's see if the price gonna break or if it's going to develop a counter opportunity, which price did. As you can see here, price developed high and low, and that's the sign. As explained, but I look for this breakout. Price nicely broken. After the breakout, price also retest target around this level, which is about to hit. And as explained, my trader is tightening your stop loss or move your stop loss at the break even or keep enjoying it. You can see here the price is hitting towards the target. I hope you enjoyed this analysis, but as always mentioned to you guys, you should be watching those analyses in real time and banking profit in real time. That's the more interesting part of it. Or if you are still struggling in forex trading, this is a platform where you can develop your trading skill with the live market in real time and also opportunities to get funded. For more information, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. Availability calendar link is given in the video description. So most welcome, join our fast growing trading community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening. Stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.